Today, as we launch BINAA, I can't help but think about the construction journey many of us here have gone through. We're here to make the process of construction easier, more efficient, and less frustrating. From design to delivery, fitting, and even maintenance, our goal is to walk with you every step of the way, ensuring that your vision becomes a reality.
What you are doing is the right thing for this country. You are not just doing business with the motive of making a profit. You are changing the social status and economic status of many Kenyans, not just by affording them an opportunity to access housing materials, but also creating opportunities. And I congratulate many of you who are in that space. I was telling Mohammed there are opportunities even within the affordable housing space. There is affordable housing. We don't even call it low cost. It is affordable housing because it is housing that will be affordable to the majority of Kenyans. Then there is what they call market rate or commercial housing. And within that space of commercial and market rate housing, then therein lies an opportunity for BINAA and all the partners who are showcasing their great work here.
These people have done a wonderful job. They started as developers. Now you can see they have a state-of-the-art building that contains everything you need in constructing a house, from architecture to designing to construction to furnishing to everything.
We're happy for BINAA and the entire fraternity of everyone who's here as either investors together with Mohammed or as tenants showcasing everything that we have seen.
Pongezi kwa kazi nzuri mnayofanya. And as Jimmy said here, even me when I walked through here, through the stalls, I was like, where was I? I was telling Junet, I was in the process of trying to waterproof a building rooftop. I've just walked through collecting business cards. Now I know where to come. And therefore, congratulations, and may God bless you as you continue your endeavors to not only build your businesses, but to build our country and our economy.